Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a Malai chicken tikka. It is very delicious, tender and juicy. A perfect combination for your party. So let's get started. So here I used 500 grams of chicken breast that I cut into 2-inch rectangular pieces. Into this I am adding 3 teaspoons of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and required amount of salt. Mix everything together and keep it aside. Into another bowl I am adding half cup grated cheese. Here I used mozzarella. If you want you can use normal processed cheese. Curd half cup. I transfer the curd into a cloth and hang for 1 hour so that all the water content is drained out and it is very thick. 1/4 cup fresh cream. 1 teaspoon green chilli paste. Here I used 3 green chillies and crushed into a fine paste. This is the only content which gives spiciness to this recipe. So this is medium spice. If you want more, you can increase the amount of green chilies. 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 3/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and salt. Remember we have already added salt in the chicken and cheese also has salt. So accordingly you reduce the amount of salt and add. Give a good mix. So I am adding the cheese mix into the chicken and mix well. Marinate this for 3 to 4 hours in the fridge or overnight. If you are in a hurry, try to marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. So I have marinated the chicken overnight. I am adding little more salt into this because during marination the chicken will absorb all the salt. So make sure you check the salt and add if necessary. So now I am going to skewer the chicken. Here I am using my stainless steel one. If you want you can use the wooden one also. If you are using the wooden one, soak it in the water for 15 minutes. Add 4 to 5 pieces of chicken in each skewer. Now turn on the flame and add 2 teaspoons of ghee into a non-stick pan. Place 4 skewered chicken sticks side by side and keep roasting on medium heat. Turn it on every 2 minutes and cook it uniformly. Brush some butter after each turn. Brush the remaining marinade on top and cook it until the tikkas are evenly browned and tender. It may take 12 to 15 minutes. So it is done now, and I am removing this into another plate. The remaining tikkas also you cook in the same way. I am just going to give a smoky effect, that is a barbecue flavor to the chicken. For that, I used a small piece of coconut shell and I am firing it directly on the stove. And this is completely optional. Without this also, the tikkas are super tasty. Transfer the fully burnt shell into a small bowl and keep it in the middle of the chicken sticks. Immediately drop a little ghee on it to infuse smoke and cover it with a large bowl and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you can transfer this into the serving plate. Try this at home and share this with your friends and families. Please subscribe to my channel. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.